Good morning, Grand Forks and the Grand Forks area. Thank you for tuning into this morning edition of Weather Update. My name is Justin Storm. I will be your host. Taking a look at our Skycam now, looking like some nice blue sunny conditions out there for the Grand Forks area, sitting right around 29 degrees with that southwest wind at 5 miles per hour. And we'll be picking up to about 10 to 15, transitioning to the north through the afternoon. Why don't we take a look at our headlines now? So we do have a sunny way to end our week with an exception for Sunday where we have a chance of rain and snow. We'll show you in our futurecast. But come Monday afternoon, Tuesday and Wednesday, we are expecting some more sunny conditions for the Grand Forks area. So we are sitting around average today, sitting at a high of 39 degrees, a low of 20. So again, spot on with those averages. Records being set back in 1910 and 1965 of 76 degrees and negative 12, and our sunset getting closer to 8 o'clock every day tonight at 7:43. Into our U.S. temperatures now, again, Grand Forks sitting at 29 degrees out here on the west coast, Portland at 52, LA at 55. Most of the United States being dominated by this cool blue, sitting in the mid to high 30s. Miami being our warmest spot again at 65 degrees. Now we do have a few weather hazards we need to talk about, stretching from Minneapolis down to Marshall along that South Dakota-Nebraska border, affecting a lot of Nebraska actually, stretching all the way into Rapid City. Some river flood warnings that are dominating the area down there. A lot of the rivers are flooding over record highs, so hopefully everyone down there can remain safe. But into our U.S. satellite and radar, not a whole lot going through the central part of the United States. A few showers out here on the east or the western part, and we do have a system working its way through the Washington area, bringing them some high amounts of rainfall. However, for our area, not a whole lot to talk about. Again, those clear conditions for all of North Dakota and most of Minnesota. We do have a chance of a few clouds rolling in this evening and into the overnight hours, but for the most part, it will be clear for the rest of the day. Now coming to our futurecast, we do have a cold front that will be working its way through this morning into the afternoon, which will help keep our temperatures a little bit cooler, but we are expecting that high again of 39 degrees. High pressure system will work its way into Minnesota and Wisconsin come Friday afternoon and Friday evening, which will again bring those clear conditions to the Grand Forks area. But come Saturday night and into Sunday, we do have another low pressure system working its way in that will bring some rain and snow to the Grand Forks area Sunday afternoon and possibly even stretching into early Monday morning. But that will blow out Monday afternoon, and we should be experiencing mostly to partly cloudy conditions. So into our regional temperatures now, again sitting around 35 degrees for the Fargo, Grand Forks area around 12 o'clock, 36 out in Minot and 42 in Bismarck. And as we go through this afternoon, you see these temperatures don't vary a whole lot, sitting right around those mid-30s, and come into the evening hours and into overnight, those temperatures will begin to drop. Our model run showing it being a little bit warmer, but do be expecting low to mid-20s by tonight for the Grand Forks area, and those mid-20s for all of central Minnesota come tomorrow morning. But this will bring us into our forecast, expecting a high of 39 degrees, mostly sunny again with those northwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting up to 20. Tonight it will be cooling off again, that low of 20. Winds will be diminishing a little bit over to the northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour, and it will be partly cloudy. Tomorrow, again, about the same as today, 37. However, those winds will be calmer with that out of the north at 5 miles per hour. This will work our way into our 7-day forecast, and again, looking like a nice way to end our week with an exception to Sunday with the chance of snow and rain stretching into early Monday morning. But come Monday afternoon, expecting partly cloudy conditions and back into the 40s on Tuesday and Wednesday.